Each week, college football gets better and better, and this week was no exception. The biggest game of the week was the battle for bragging rights for the top spot in the Pac-10 as the 4th-ranked Arizona State Sun Devils tried to stay undefeated versus the 5th-ranked Oregon Ducks. Ducks up 14-3 and were flying away with the game when Dixon throws it to Jason Williams for the 27-yard touchdown. Oregon brings out all the tomfoolery as Dixon throws his 4th touchdown pass to Drew Davis to go on to win 35-23 to move in 3rd place in the BCS. The best game of the week was fought down in the South as the 3rd-ranked LSU Tigers battled the 17th-ranked Alabama Crimson Tide. The Tide were down 17-3 in the beginning of the 3rd quarter when DJ Hall catches the ball, never falls, as he pleases all for the 67-yard touchdown. Let's fast forward all the way to the 4th quarter, game tied at 27 when LSU punts to Javier Arenas, who makes like a tree and leaves all the Tigers behind him as he runs 61 yards to the end zone to put Bama up 7. LSU would counter with a touchdown of their own as fashionably late early Doucette makes the noise catch from Matt Flynn for the 32-yard touchdown that would tie the game at 34s. Bama's next possession, when John Parker Wilson drops back to pass, he gets hits, fumbles, and LSU would recover, would get a 1-yard touchdown run to win the game 41-34 as LSU moves in the 2nd spot in the BCS ratings. Usually there's the player of the week, but when a team puts up 76 points, then they must get the team of the week. And that goes to the Kansas Jayhawks, who scored easier than a freshman girl walking into a frat house as they scored 48 points in the first half, had 11 total touchdowns. QB Todd Reason threw for 354 yards and allows these 6 touchdowns, while running back Brandon McAnderson rushed for 119 yards and 4 touchdowns. They remain undefeated on the season and move into 4th in BCS. In case you didn't hear or didn't see the graphic at the beginning, I'm Mark Kaplan, and that was the rundown.